Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to use Steam Remote Play together with non-Steam games. Alright guys, we will need a tool called Remote Play Together elsewhere. Just go ahead and grab this from GitHub. It might also be called Remote Play Whatever. Okay, and guys, as you can see, released 5 months ago. Just go ahead and grab this tool. And also I recommend not using your your own Steam account just in case. So you're looking to download the app, and then you just open Steam, click games, add a non-Steam game here, and then locate the exe of the file that you wish to play, and you will add it into your library here, into the list of games. And then you just launch this Remote Play Together elsewhere, or whatever the app's name right now is. Then within the tool, you just select your non-Steam game, open your Steam overlay, which is the Shift+ tab, right-click any friend, and you will select a Remote Play Together, and it will work with non-Steam games. So that is it. Enjoy, guys.